Welcome my friends to the series of learning 504 absolutely essential words. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Let's begin. Vapor. Vapor. Vapor means fog, mist, or a mass of very small drops of liquid which float in the air. For example, scientists have devised methods for trapping vapor in the bottle so they can study its makeup. He has gathered data on the amount of vapor rising from the swamp. Eliminate. Eliminate. Eliminate has three different meanings and usages. The first one is to completely get rid of something that is unnecessary or unwanted. For example, there is no solution that will eliminate the possibility of theft. The second meaning is to defeat a team or person in a competition. For example, our team was eliminated in the first round. The third meaning is to kill someone to prevent them from causing trouble. For example, a ruthless dictator who eliminated all his rivals. Remember that in everyday English people usually say get rid of rather than eliminate. For example, it is almost impossible to get rid of the problems of society. Valian. Valian. Valian means a bad person or the main bad character in a film or a story. For example, a good man in an evil society seems the greatest villain of all. The Valian concealed the corpse in the underground. The next word is dense. Dense. Dense means compacted, compressed, or something that is closely packed together. For example, his keen knife cut through dense jungle. But in the informal form, dense means not able to understand things easily. Like stop it. For example, am I being dense? I don't quite understand. In technique, dense means a substance that is dense has a lot of mass in relation to its size. For example, water is 800 times denser than air. Utilize. Utilize. Utilize means take advantage of something or make use of something. For example, the company had developed a new way to utilize solar energy. But in everyday English, people usually say use rather than utilize. For example, the money will be utilized to build a new sports hall. The money will be used to build a new sports hall. Humid. Humid. Humid means damp, muggy, or it means very wet and hot weather. For example, Tokyo is extremely humid in midsummer. It means Tokyo has wet and hot weather in the summer. This humid weather gives me a headache. Theory. Theory. Theory means an idea that has not yet been proved to be true. For example, different theories about how brain works. Darwin's theory of evolution. I'm taking a course on political theory. Descend. Descend. Descend means go or come down from a higher place to a lower level. For example, if you let the air out of the balloon, it will have to descend. The pilot, thinking his plane was in danger, descended quickly. Circulate. Circulate. Circulate means to move around within a system. For example, swimming helps to get the blood circulating the muscles. Hot water circulates through the pipes in the building, keeping the room warm. Enormous. Enormous. Enormous, huge or extremely large. For example, Jack lives in an enormous house. It means Jack lives in a large house. The Galian king drew his sword and killed the enormous dragon. Predict. Predict. Predict means tell beforehand or saying the result of something before it's happening. For example, I predict that it will be a boy. It means the baby is not born yet, but we say the gender of the baby beforehand. Snow is predict for tomorrow. Vanish. Vanish. Vanish means disappear or hide. The sun vanished behind the cloud. Give him a week without a job and all his money will vanish.